this is a Master Lock Series 5, and then the 930. I want to say they're both at the higher spectrum of the Master Lock, security rating. I think 7 out of 10. But so I just wanted to go through and show you. Okay, so the differences between the two locks. So the 5 series, the quickest way to get it open is to rake it. Faster than the key sometimes, I think. But to pick it, let me get a little better here. Let's pick it. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3 at a little click, 4, and then come back to did I just, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Still not really hard. Alright, so then moving up to the level 10 Master Lock, you got your big steel shackle, all these things, super imposing, right? Used to have a rubber coating on this outside to keep the weather out, but it kept on messing with my turning tools, so I just took it off because I'm not going to use this for anything. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Now we got number 3, number 4, number 5. Do you see the counter rotation? This thing has 5 swoop pins in it. So now we're coming back up. There's still nothing on 1. Number 2 is binding. Number 1 is binding. And we got it open. The best Master Lock has to offer.